cauliflower steak with a miso-maple bacon. Good Lord. But first things first, let's make some hummus. Roasted garlic. You know the drill, guys. Oil it, salt it, tighten it up, throw in the oven 400 for about 30 minutes. We got pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. We're going to soak them for 30 minutes. This is really important. Going to add all this goodness to the blender. That was some chipotle peppers and adobo, avocado. Don't worry about that stuff. Just head over to daddyketo.com and I have the full recipe over there. So let's make the bacon. This bacon is incredible. Add some miso. Add your maple syrup, quote unquote, low carb folks, and then we're gonna hit it with just a little bit of lemon. I don't know, maybe a tablespoon or two. Set it aside. Make sure it's fully coated. It looks good, God. I could just eat this. I eat a lot of it, honestly. So that was our cauliflower steak with red fermented chili paste. And we're going to smash that down. We want a good sear. Now, we want color here, folks. Don't be afraid. That color's flavor. When you add that butter, it mixes with that chili paste. And really just spoon it over there, guys. It gets in every crevice, every crevasse. This stuff is so awesome, guys. I mean, so good. So that's sumac, lemon zest, and coarse salt. We're going to finish it with that. And it's time to plate it. Oh, look at that bad boy. I get to eat this. And you can eat this too. Like seriously, you could eat this. Just get the recipe and go eat it. It's super good. It's really good. Even for people who don't like cauliflower, this will change your mind. This will change your life. All right, guys. One last look before you make it yourself. Oh, is it glorious? See ya.